Please don't bounce yourself or the ball into the floor or into others.
So this is a little bit silly actually. We had an older version of SMALLab that had balls. We're actually not going to use balls in this one, so there's actually nothing to bounce, but you are going to have to hold something. And it's important that we don't do anything that's unsafe with what you hold. Okay? Does that seem doable?
Yes.
Okay. Who wants to do the blue one? Can we do the blue one?
Yeah. Come with ideas. Be ready to experiment and explore with others.
Okay, so that's actually a really important one. You cannot participate here unless you are full of ideas. And if they could be good ideas, they could be silly ideas, they could be serious ideas, they could be crazy ideas, but they have to be ideas. You have to have ideas and you have to share. Who wants to read the purple one? Elisa?
Just kidding, I can't see from here.
Let's have Erin read the purple one.
Please leave food or drinks outside and clean up your trash before leaving.
Okay, that's also kind of a silly one for this one because we don't actually have food and drinks in the classroom, so you don't really need to that. But if you do have trash, we want to make sure that it leaves with you. Okay, we don't leave it here. Okay. Otherwise, what? Unless it's in the garbage can.
Can I have one?
Yeah.
So all of you guys have something to write with?
Yeah.
Okay, so writing only happens on the paper. No writing on the mat. And no, stabbing the mat. Even accidentally. So we have to treat this system with care because it's very expensive
And very delicate.
and delicate. So it's very fragile.
So yeah, it's actually a pretty big deal that you guys get to use this. Not a lot of, we're actually, I think, the only school in New York that has this, and we're actually the only school.
There's only 3 schools in the whole world
Right.
that have
And
it.
that's one of us.
Yes.
And
So
we're one of the
so what
3.
you're doing right now is sort of making me nervous. Thank you. Okay.
Can we think of this as part of a computer?
Yeah.
Like as part of some equipment? Is that so that would be a reason not to write on it? Because you never write on a computer
Right.
screen,
Right.
right?
Okay. So yeah, good point. Okay, so Katie now